Okay, welcome back. It is day 229, I think, of coding every day. Um, Disclaimer, I keep getting comments basically calling me like a bum or like stop doing like leak code easy, like this isn't helping you. I'm in lab for like minimum 4 hours a day, if not up to like 8 hours or 9 hours of just coding. Like I'm doing a lot of coding this summer and a lot of like stuff. I'm not counting it technically as a job. It's not like a tech job, which is what was the aim of like me starting this. So chill out, okay? I'm not like it's not like 230 days of just like no effort and whatever. So stop commenting that stuff. Anyways, um went into lab today. Worked on kind of like retraining my model. Um I don't know. It's weird. It's almost to the point there's one animation that's doing really bad. I honestly just want to swap it out and just do something else, which is that unethical in research? Maybe. um, you know, it is unethical. Like I should present the results that I got and then like just be like, you know, my hair is gonna like I every anyways. um yeah, that's unethical. Shouldn't do that. So scratch that. Um, but I will try to get it as like high as I can in terms of like accuracy. Which I have some ideas, but time is ticking. I mean, tomorrow is my poster presentation, and then I'm doing stuff all night, and then the day after that I have like my meeting in the morning, and then I'm going out the rest of the day, and then Saturday I'm out all day. It's like Sunday maybe I can get some work in, and then it's my last week before the last week, which will probably be all like paper writing and like review and all that. So not a lot of time left, which is pretty sad because I've really enjoyed the summer. So yeah. um so yeah, worked a little on the model, and that was about it. I started training one before I left to go to Austin today. So hopefully the results of that are good in the morning. Um, yeah, and then for the leak code, again did an easy because I'm shot. I'm tired. I want to go to bed. It was just like given an array. There's two duplicates. Find them. That is literally all it is. So nothing fancy. Just sorted it and then looped through, and then it was like if these two elements are equal, they're a duplicate because it said it's all distinct up until n minus one. So, um, that's about it. I can't really think of anything else to talk about except I don't know when I'm going to record my video tomorrow. There's actually a good chance maybe I miss a day for the first time, like fully miss like a waking day. Because I don't, and like I guess I could, I don't know. It's like I'm gonna go into the lab early tomorrow, early, like 9 a.m. or something like that. Get prepared for poster presentation and do my model training. Do the poster presentation from 3 to 4:30. Then I'm hanging out with friends at the rec center, and then I'm going out. So, and that will probably go late. So I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, I will maybe see you tomorrow. For day 2:30. Yeah. Take care. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.